It's a new day, and we're feeling good.
She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something off a poster. That girl is a damn they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay.
That's good. It's a new day, and we're feeling good. Day 2 in my new space. I don't know, should I open my window? So guys, I have this play track, right, that I got as a gift from my manager. So I will set that up. I tried putting it in one of my cupboard spaces. It didn't fit through, so I'll just have to keep this here until further notice. So I'm sure I've not been carrying you guys along, but please bear with me. It's been movements here and there, and what's the word? Yeah, I've been having issues with my big tripod stand, so it takes time to set up, and even when I set it up, it's still not just okay. So having to do all of that and still arrange is just quite stressful. But yeah, this is how far I've come. You guys, I was able to arrange my room to look like at least look like a nice space, as at the first day. It's back to a danger and animal zone, because yeah, but it's understandable though. I went shopping yesterday to Aldi. I didn't take you guys on it because yeah, I just got, I think I already mentioned the things that I got. I need to get in my guys because I can't be shouting. But anyways, then I got this plate set from my manager as well. That gave me the plate rack. So I'm going to arrange it in the plate rack. I want to arrange it on my table. So I have to clear this table, I have to clean it. I need to vacuum this room today so I can breathe good air. I'm breathing good air. And yeah, let's just see what we can do. I think I want to open this curtain because I need sunlight. But then again, people can see in, I think. Guys, I need to do my laundry as well. It keeps increasing. Well, there are some clothes in the washing machine, so I have to wait for the person to be done before I can wash my things. I don't have a lot to do. I think I do. But anyways, let us begin because time has gone. I've just been dragging my feet. DJ, play me the music. Hey guys, so I don't think I've done a proper intro. I don't think I've done an intro for this video. This is a new vlog, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lily Idans and welcome to today's video or vlog. So today is just, or this vlog is basically just me exploring my new space, easing into it, and just basically trying to settle down more. So I'm about to cook the jollof rice now. My blender hasn't still arrived. Today is Monday. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow. So I just want to use tin chopped tomatoes to cook it. I hope it comes out nice. Even without tin, I usually use the tin chopped tomatoes, but I usually wash and blend it in the blender before using it. But since it's a blender, I have to use it like that. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I already steamed my chicken yesterday and I put it in the dryer. Is my things are in the dryer, tumble dryer, so you can hear that noise. That's what it is. I seasoned my chicken and put it in the fridge yesterday, so I'm just going to go ahead and steam it and cook the rice. I'm actually tired, guys, but I have to do this today, so I know that, yeah, I may or may not cook the stew tomorrow, but I think I would. But yeah, guys, let us get cooking. I'm in the kitchen already, so because this looks good, guys, and it has like this opening where you can pour something when you're done.
My fuel is so scarce. I shouldn't be bothered with things like this. Like, I should just enter the car and it's magically full.
Good evening. I'm just sitting here chilling and watching Kamsa's vlog. I haven't really had anything to so I had English breakfast, but I had it by 1 p.m. I wasn't so hungry because it was very filling, guys, but I had biscuits earlier on. I felt like, okay, I probably wouldn't eat again today. That's where I was feeling, but this is past 7 and I've started feeling a bit hungry. I was just gonna go to bed, you guys. I don't think I've like slept well enough to ease off the stress of this whole moving, but yeah, I'm still going to sleep late. That's one thing about me. I was supposed to work tomorrow, but my shift got shifted to Saturday. I probably will cook my stew tomorrow. Yeah, I also want to loosen my hair. Yeah, I don't know if I can start that this night. I may start it this night, but tell me why I took away the big bin from cleaning, and then remembered that I should have just left it, taken out this so I can put it in the bin and take it out, because yeah, it would have just been easier. Well, yeah, nothing spoiled. My blender has arrived. I can't wait to test it out. Gosh, you guys, I feel like I'm just becoming an adult, but I've been an adult for like how many years now? Anyways, I can't wait to test it out. I will blend my tomatoes tomorrow. It came quite late, so yeah, that wouldn't have been possible today. So thank God I actually like cooked the rice, because oh man, the way I'm feeling. Yeah, I steamed the chicken, and the main reason why I steamed that chicken was because I wanted to use the sauce for stew. I was still going to use a little for the jollof rice, but like mainly for the stew. Tell me why I used all the sauce for the jollof rice, and now I don't have any sauce for my stew. But we're still going to make it work. We will make it work. But yeah, that's it, guys. I will just go ahead and do my parfait, come back here, watch some more vlogs. I am also trying to edit my vlog, because you guys, I have been pushing so hard to be consistent, and I've tried like 3 weeks now, because I had like back-to-back contents already waiting, so it was so easy to push them out. But I'm getting to the point where I need to like edit to keep up, if you get what I mean. So I am just trying to edit the one that I'm going to post this Friday. If you don't know yet, my posting day is Friday by 8 p.m. That's like what I'm working with. Maybe like as time goes on, I would start posting twice in a week. But right now, yeah, let's start off with that one. I mean, that's what I've been doing since, and I wasn't even consistent, so let's just keep up with that. So I'm just trying to finish it up. Pretty much I'm done. It's just like music to check the copyright issues, do some little text edit here and there, and yeah, I think it will be ready to go up for Friday. Another thing I've been doing is to schedule my content. It's been easy for me, because sometimes I might be working that day and just forget that it's 8 p.m. and I need to post up the video, so I just schedule it. So if I'm done today, I probably will just upload it tomorrow, do the necessary checks, and tomorrow is Wednesday, do the necessary checks and just schedule it to upload that day and that time. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm still contemplating if I should eat, because honestly, I'm trying so hard not to be eating late. But considering the fact that I've not really had like so much to eat today, I think the hunger is real. So it's not that kind of deceitful hunger where you're like, oh, I'm not hungry, I just want to munch. Like, I've literally not eaten so much today. So I honestly just might do that. And yeah, guys, I would talk to you guys later. Everything is just a lot. Nana came to help me model for cake pasta, just a little something. So that's why she was here. So I took some pictures of some of the outfits I was wearing just so I don't overpack. Because the most annoying thing is when you don't have space.
So I stay in this area, and it's not like I was very like I wasn't like constantly like hiding where I'm at, like where I.
Hey guys, wagwan. So I was able to I was able to lose my hair last night, and I washed it today when I was having my bath. So yeah, that has been done. I was really torn between blending these tomatoes today and doing it tomorrow, but I'm like, let me just do it today, right? So I would do that and then cook a quick small stew, because like I said yesterday, I did not remain a stock for it, so I didn't remain some stock for it, so I just have to cook it like that. So I wouldn't be cooking much. Besides, my rice is still there. I'm not sure if I would necessarily need stew that much for now. So yeah, I just want to cook something small and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The builder came today to try and fix up this place, so it's looking really good now, or it's looking better. However, it's kind of like a temporary solution. They would be, doing something more or better later on. Yeah, guys, so let me just go and do what I need to do in the kitchen real quick, and I'll catch you guys later. I probably just might end the vlog here, I'm not even sure, but yeah. Guys, this is the stew, by the way. I forgot to make a video of it when I was done. I was on a call basically, so I just put it into my room so it can get cold, and then I put it in the freezer. So yeah, and this is the tomatoes that's left. I already put it in the freezer. I just brought it out to show you guys.